Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen amazing integration example, and today example on integration is integration 2x minus 1 into cos under root 2x minus 1 bracket square plus 5 and divided by under root 4x square minus 4x plus 6 and is equal to what is the exact solution. Okay, if you want the solution in simple way, to watch video till at the end. Okay, let's do start, and this is the example JEE Main 2020. Yes, okay, let's do start and solve this example. Okay, now observe this example. Here 2x minus 1 bracket square plus 5, we can here simplify this term and we get here 2x minus 1 square plus 5. Therefore this is the square, that means this is the 4x square minus 4x minus minus plus 1 and 5. Therefore we get here 4x square minus 4x plus 6, and we can observe this term is represent in denominator part 4x square minus 4x plus 6, and we can replace the value in terms of 2x minus 1 bracket square plus 5, and therefore this integration becomes as we can write 2x minus 1 cos under root 2x minus 1 bracket square plus 5 and divided by this term can be written as 2x minus 1 bracket square and plus 5 and dx. Okay, now here observe 2x minus square plus 5 and this derivative present in the numerator 2x minus 1, therefore I can here substitute method apply. Yes, okay, therefore substitute 2x minus 1 bracket square plus 5 is equal to suppose t square. Okay, and this function is differentiate with respect to x, therefore we get here 2 times 2x minus 1 and this plus 5 derivative also is 0, and again derivative we can write 2x minus 1 is equal to this is 2 dt by dx, and now we can write here 2 times this is 2x minus 1, derivative of 2x minus 1 is 2 and is equal to 2 times t dt by dx. Here we can observe 2 to get here get cancel, and we get here 2x minus 1 dx is equal to t into, yes, okay, therefore t into dt by 2. Okay, and therefore this equation becomes as we can write I is equal to integration 2x minus 1 dx is equal to, we can write here t into dt by here 2 times. Yes, okay, and cos this term can be written as under root, yes, okay, this term we can write as t square and this is also t square. Okay, now here observe, therefore we get simplification term, we can write here 1 by 2 is constant term and this is t dt, and this term we can write as t and therefore here cos t, therefore t get here cancel and we get I is equal to 1 by 2 integration, here we can write cos t dt. Okay, and integration of cos t we know that this is the sin t and plus c is constant of integration. Okay, and therefore we can back here put t is equal to, therefore we can back put t is equal to 2x minus square plus 5 is equal to t square, and t is equal to, here we get under root term, yes, okay, 2x minus 1 bracket square plus 5. Okay, and therefore we can write this final solution as, yes, okay, therefore we can write now final solution I is equal to, therefore this is 1 by 2 sin and t, that's mean this is the 2x minus 1 bracket square plus 5, and this is my final solution. Yes, okay, if you like this video then share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yes.